Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D2, chapter number 12, exercise 12a, that is about volume and surface area of pyramid. What is the pyramid and how to calculate the volume and surface area? These are the points which have to be really clear to all of my students for the understanding of this lesson. For all those students who are catching us late, and who have missed the previous class, I will be giving the link of the basic lessons in the description box, because lessons of mathematics require continuous practice and integration of the lesson with the new lesson. If the previous lesson is weak, new lesson will also be affected. So please must watch all those lessons. You can go to the channel library and there are the different playlists available according to the books and topics, and take help from those topics, because this concept is not only important for D2 students but for D3 students and the students who have to appear in O-level examination, because this is one of the most important concepts of your O-level examination. And I'm making these lessons especially in the third wave of crucial period of COVID-19 in order to facilitate my students and to give the idea that nothing can be a barrier between teacher, student and the learning, and nobody can stop the learning. Let's move to basic level question number 4 and let's read the question from the book. Question 4 says that VPQRS is a rectangular pyramid where P to Q is 12 centimeter and Q to R is 6 centimeter. Given that the volume of pyramid is 100 centimeter cube, find the height VO. Okay, now look, in this question we are given with the pyramid with the rectangular base, but area of that pyramid is not already calculated given. We know that formula for the volume of pyramid is volume of pyramid equals to 1 by 3 into base area multiplied by height of pyramid, which is a requirement of the question. Here we have to find the value of base area as well. So we can find the base area in the beginning. Base area equals to area of rectangle, which is equal to L cross B, and which is equal to 10 multiplied by 6, and which is 60. Now what we have to do is that answer for the volume which is given in the question is 100 equals to 1 by 3 into 10 times 6 is 60. That we have done the calculation here. You must have to show calculation either on the side of the page or you have to perform the working in this part of the question. And height, which is V to O, which is unknown. Let me write it V to O. Now what we can do is we can go for the simplification, because 60 and 3 can be simplified easily. And I will left with 100 equals to 20 times VO. And now what I have to do in order to get value of VO, I have to divide 100 by 20 and this will give me VO, or this can go with this 2 1s are and 2 5s are. 5 equals to VO, or VO equals to the height of pyramid equals to 5 centimeter. I hope you are clear about this question. And let's quickly move to the next question and let me read the question from the book. As the questions are long, so I'm writing the questions in short form. Question 7 says that OWXYZ is a rectangular pyramid with W to X is 66 centimeter, X to Y is 32 centimeter. Given that the slant height OA is 56 centimeter and OB is slant height OB is okay, let me mark O to A and O to B so that my students, B is missing here. This is B is 63 centimeter. Okay. Respectively, draw the net of this pyramid and hence find the total surface area. Okay, really interesting question. Recall my previous lesson in which we discussed the formula for the total surface area of the pyramid, we know that pyramid consists of different faces. It has a polygonal base, which is a rectangle, okay, and then it has the triangular faces, okay, 4 triangular faces at the top. So the total area of this pyramid will be equal to area of faces, total area faces. Out of that area, one is rectangle, and now it's important to understand that if the base is a square, then all 4 triangles are identical. So after writing base area, we just have to multiply area of one triangle by 4 and we can get the answer. But here the problem is that the base is a rectangle, so all 4 triangles will not be identical. You can see that this triangle has a base 32 and height 63 centimeter, and this triangle is identical with the triangle which is on this side, and this triangle has a base 66 centimeter and it has a height 56 centimeter, and same the identical face which is at the back of this pyramid. So what we have to do is we have to find the area of the rectangle which is in the base, then we have to find the area of triangle OXY, and we have to multiply this by 2 because we have the similar triangle on this edge as well, and then we have to find the area of triangle OWX, and then we have to multiply that area by the 2 because there is one triangle at the back of this pyramid as well which is identical to OWX. I hope you are clear about this situation. Let me draw the net as well so that my students can understand the question easily. The net is not drawn according to actual dimension. You can reduce the scale to accommodate it on the page. Okay, so this is the rectangular base. Okay, and then with the help of this we will be going for the calculation of the area so that my students can understand this concept easily. And this is, in these days, this is one of the important concepts of CIE as well. So this side is 66 and this side is 32. Okay, 32. And now what I have to do, on this side, when I will be opening over here, this side will become the base and 63 will become the height. Okay, so let me draw 2 identical triangles on this side. Okay, okay, and then this is 66, this is also 66, and this side has the height of 56. Okay, let me first complete the triangles, and then I will be writing the dimensions, but I have to check the size of each triangle. This is almost 2.5, so on this side it also has to be 2.5. Both the triangles have to be identical one. They should not be big and small. Okay, now join from here and make it a triangle. Join from here, make it a triangle. Okay, hurry up. And then what we have to do is on this side as well, first I have to draw the net. I have to complete the net, and then I will be going for the calculation of the area. Okay, and the net makes the calculation and understanding of the area easy for students as well. So because it's not really easy for all of the students to imagine that how many faces are identical and which faces are identical with each other. Okay, let me complete it over here. Let me draw the complete triangle at this place. Okay, and this one over here. Okay, I'm successful in drawing and the completion of the triangle. Now let me label these triangles as well. Okay, look, 32 is the base and this side has the height 63 centimeter. Let me look into the book. Yes, this is 63 centimeter, and the same here, this is 63 centimeter and the base is 32, and here it is 66, and this side is 56, height is 56 and this is 56. Okay, now we have to go for the calculation of total area, total surface area equals to area of all faces, okay, faces, and which is equal to area of rectangle plus area of rectangle which is in the base, plus, now try to understand from the diagram as well. We can see that this is O and X and Y, this is W, and this is O and Z, and this is again O. Okay, now look, triangle OYX and OZW, they are identical one. So I will be writing plus 2 times area of triangle OXY plus 2 times area of triangle OZY or OWX, area of triangle OWNX. Now apply the formula for the area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, so that will become 66 multiplied by 32, 66 multiplied by 32 plus 2 into half into base 32 and height 63 plus 2 into half and OWX 56 by 66, 56 by 66, dot stands for multiplication, Okay, now to make the calculation easy, I always ask it to my students to simplify the similar things. Now I'm left with 66 multiplied by 32 plus 63 multiplied by 32 plus 66 multiplied by 56. Now hold your calculator. 66 multiplied by 32, and this gives me 2112 plus multiplied by 32, 2016 plus 66 multiplied by 56, and this gives me 3696. Now add up all the values. 2112 plus 2016 plus 3696, and this gives me 7824 centimeters square, and this is the total surface area, equals to 7824 centimeters square. I hope you are clear that how, when the pyramid has the rectangular base, we are finding the total surface area. Please understand this lesson carefully, because this lesson is really important for the understanding of next lessons as well. Let's give some beauty to our work, and let's have the fun over here. Okay, let me go slow because the camera is shaking. I have to go slow. Let's give some beauty, and let's have some artwork with maths, because maths we feel that is a little dry subject. Wherever we can make it colorful and attractive, we have to make it. Okay, enjoy your coloring. Okay, and now these triangles, okay, these two triangles are identical, so I will be using same color here so that my students can understand that how we are finding the total area. This will also help us and help my students in understanding that these two triangles are the similar one. So instead of finding their area separately, we have to find the area of any one of these two triangles, and we have to add up the area. And these two triangles are identical one. We can add up, we can find the area of any one of the triangles, and quickly we have to add up these two areas. And finally what we have to do is that we have to add up all the areas in order to get the total surface area of this solid. Really easy questions and really interesting questions, because they give us opportunity to have some artwork. And please enjoy your artwork. Okay, please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. And please make best use of these lessons. These lessons are not only important for my students, but they are also important for the new teachers as well, those who have joined O-level and they have started teaching O-levels newly. So please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.